Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Crew, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to talk about using the RSC2 and the RavenEye with the Sony FX3. So I'll show you how I connect everything, and then we'll go from there. But first, before we go on, there's a list of things that you need to make this work, and you have to follow this religiously. So one, you need a USB-C to USB-C cable. The one I use is the one that came in the box and is labeled number 7. Number 2, you need a USB-C to USB-C cable labeled number 1. Number 3, you need a USB-C to Sony multi cable. It's labeled number 2. And lastly, number 4, you need an HDMI cable. So now I'll go ahead and connect the camera. Again, if you need help setting up or balancing the gimbal, let me know in the comment section. I can do a video on how to set the gimbal up in 5 minutes. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to connect the RavenEye up to the gimbal. So I'm going to use the cable here, the L-shaped cable, which is the number 7. Connect it to the back of the RSC or the RavenEye. That is to charge the RavenEye from the from the RSC2. So that's plugged in. So that's the first cable, and that cable comes from the third connection here. And then secondly, I'll connect the HDMI cable, and it's labeled number 8. So connect that one as well. Okay, so that's connected. Next, let's connect the USB-C to USB-C cable. So that is going to come from the camera feed, and that will go straight into the USB-C port on the FX3. And then lastly, from the second port on the gimbal, we're going to connect this to the USB mini port on the FX3. Okay, I think that's it. Right, so we're going to balance now. So we've done that now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and load up the app and connect to the RavenEye. So let's go there. Right, so we're connected to the RavenEye now. Let's see what we got. Again, it's connected, but we're not getting any video. That's because the camera is off. So I'll turn the camera on, and we'll select remote shooting on the camera. And there we have it. It's working now, which is quite it's working on DJI 25p. For some reason, the 24p DJI wasn't working. But again, so what I'll do is I would control the. So you can see, I can move that around. I can move the camera around with First Mobile. So if you have any more issues, let me know, and I'll give you a bit of advice around how to connect things. Yeah, thanks for watching. It's your boy Crew, and I'll see you on the next one.